Welcome to YannYOga. We are here at Kiramon Reserve in Sydney, Australia. You wouldn't believe how good you can feel in just one beginner Hatha yoga class. This flow will wake up every part of your body and make you wonder why you didn't even start sooner. Today's flow, I'm going to be using a travel yoga mat from Cersei. A very thin yoga mat that I could pack in just my small luggage. Great for tall people, they are extremely long. See you on your mat when you're ready. Hello everyone, we're going to begin by lying on our back in Supta Machendrasana 2. Arms into a T shape. Inhale, bend both knees. Shimmy your bum towards the right. Exhale, drop your knees towards the right side. Inhale, pressing your left shoulders to the earth. Exhale, feel the twist. The further the legs away, the more you feel the stretch. Let's swap side. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your knee to the left in Supta Machendrasana 2. Inhale, rooting down your right shoulders. Exhale, feel the stretch on the lower back. Beautiful, guys. This time, straighten your right leg and inhale, hug your left knee in Ardha Pavanmuktasana. With each inhalation, you're gonna hug your knees more and bring your right knee closer to the earth. Exhale, feel the stretch on your right hip flexor. Let's roll towards the left side. Left knee keep bent. Inhale, right hand to the sky, right leg parallel to the earth. Into kneeling Ardha Chandrasana. Inhale, squeeze your glutes. Exhale, maybe drop your right knee, making it into a one straight line with your torso. Next, inhale, right palm to the sky. Exhale, frame your feet. Next, inhale, push your hip high into Ardha Mukha Svanasana. This is the first Ardha Mukha Svanasana. You are most welcome to pedal your feet. Inhale, bend one knee at a time and feel the stretch on your straight up leg. When you have enough, stay in Ardha Mukha Svanasana. Feel breath here. Gently smooth steps towards your feet. Towards your hand. We're gonna do Bithilasana. Palm interlace behind your head. Inhale, arch your back, Bithilasana. Exhale, sit down and round your back in an invisible chair. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. One more time. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, gaze towards the floor and sit in an invisible chair. Palms in prayer. Exhale, twist towards the left side. Gaze down, see if your knees stay behind your toes. Palm pushing against each other so that your palms stay in your heart center. Next, inhale, pop your right leg back. Right feet are 45 degrees facing the side of your mat. Inhale, right hand to the sky. Exhale, left hand rooting down and stay in Utthita Parasvakonasana. Inhale, puff up the chest. Exhale, right leg pushing down firmly. Next, exhale. Frame your feet, interlace your finger with the left thumb on top. Exhale, we bow forward into Baddha Virabhadasana. Left knee straight bend. As much as possible, you want to bring your palms over your head. Great pose to strengthen our left hamstring, and increase the range of motion of our shoulders. Both palms face down, ready for vinyasa. Exhale, bend elbow, chaturanga. Inhale, straighten your arms, point your feet into Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, push the floor away into Adho Mukha Svanasana. 5 deep breaths here. Gradually, let's do a 10-fold breath. Take a pause. Noticing how you feel on the left side and the right. You might find it easier to straighten your left leg. Gently release, lying on our back. Continue to the other side. This time, inhale, right knee to your chest into Ardha Pavanmuktasana. Exhale, press down firmly with your left knee. Feel the stretch on your left hip flexor. Few more breath here. Roll towards the right side. Keep your right knee bent. Transitions to kneeling Ardha Chandrasana. Sorry, I'm mirroring you. Right knee bent. Inhale, left hand to the sky. Left leg parallel to the earth. Inhale, puff up your chest. Exhale, lean back. Next, exhale, drop your hand down and push the floor away to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Tippy toes to your hand and bend your knees into Utkatasana. Palms in prayer. Inhale. Exhale, twist towards the right side. Parivirta Utkatasana. Gaze down, make sure your knees stay behind your toes to protect your knee. Beautiful, guys. Palms face down and pop your left leg back. This time, left feet facing 45 degrees to the long end of your mat, or maybe 90 degrees into Utthita Parsvakonasana. I'm mirroring you. Right knee bend, left hand to the sky. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale, press your right hand firmly towards the earth. Pull your left knee cups. Let's frame your feet. This time, back feet 45 degrees. Interlace the finger behind you, right thumb on top. Inhale, arch. Exhale, we fold into Baddha Virabhadrasana. Strong right leg here. And pulling your palms away from you. Facing the sky. Beautiful, guys. Let's do a vinyasa flow. If you wish. Inhale, Feeling Asana. Exhale, bend your elbow, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, point your feet, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, bum to heel, and we rest in Balasana. Your arms are spreading wide in front of you. Gently come to a sit. Right leg straighten in front of you. Left feet are pressing against your right thigh. Inhale, you're gonna both hands to the sky. Anterior tilt your pelvis. Exhale, we reach forward into Janu Sirsasana. Inhale, pull your right knee up, pressing down your right knee. Exhale, elongate your spine and reach forward. Invitations to use the straps. Let's swap side. This time, straighten your left leg and bend your right feet, pressing against the left leg. Inhale, both hands to the sky. Exhale, we fold. Inhale, flex your left feet. Pressing down your right knee and pull your kneecaps. Exhale, we reach forward and decompress the spine. Well done, guys. Couple more breaths here. We're gonna counter pose it with a back bend with a lying on our belly. Inhale, bring your right heel in, left heel in. Palms grabbing from the outside of your feet. Next, inhale, kicking your legs away from you and bring your chest away from the earth into Dhanurasana. Break back bend to counter pose from the previous asana. Inhale, squeeze your glutes. Exhale, forehead to the ground and continue to bring your heel towards your glute. Feel the stretch on your quads. Well done, guys. If you feel called to do anything else, you are most welcome to do now. Otherwise, let's rest in Shavasana. I will call you when it is time. Gently bring awareness to your body, moving your fingers, your toes. Give yourself a good stretch. When you're ready, I'll meet you in the sitting positions. Let's inhale, both hands rise to the sky. Exhale, we bow forward. Thank you everyone who choosing YannYoga. I hope you enjoy this Hatha very much and make you feel delight. Subscribe, give me a comment down below and maybe watch other video that I pin in on top of this video. Sending you love and luck.